In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private in 2020, and this works on Android and iOS as well. Now before I show you how you can do this, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video if this helps you out. I would appreciate that a lot. That would help the channel out so much, so I would appreciate that. Anyway, let's jump into how you can make your Facebook account private. So you want to open Facebook and you want to click on the free horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now this could also be at the bottom right, but click on the free horizontal lines, which then take you to this page. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down and you want to find settings and privacy, okay? I already clicked on it, but you want to click on settings and privacy, and then you want to click on privacy shortcuts. Then right there, you have to click on review a few important privacy settings. Right there, you'll see 4 different sections. Now we're going to start off with the one that's called who can see what you share. So click on one of them, click on continue, and then right there you can actually turn all of this private, right? Public, and then click on only me. There you go. So birthday's public, let's do only me. Birth year, only me. Hometown. You get the point. Just click on all of these and click on only me. Click on next, and then click on friends, and then click on see more, only me. There you go. Click on next, and then click on next again. Review another topic. Then we're going to click on how to keep your account secure. Click on continue, and then right there you can turn on alerts, but we don't really need that, to be honest. And then skip as well, okay? So that's fine. Then next up, click on review another topic. How people can find you on Facebook. Click on continue, then right there, click on friends of friends. And right here, you want to click on only me and only me. Click on next, click on review another topic. And then you want to click on your data settings on Facebook. Click on continue, then you can remove these if you want to, and then click on review another topic. Okay, that's it for this specific setting. Now next up, you want to go back and you want to click on see more privacy settings. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down to your activity, and then you can click on who can see your future posts, only me. Limit who can see past posts, so you can limit that, and then you can limit past posts. There you go. Click on it, and there you go. You can click on who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow, and then you can click on only me as well. Who can see your stories, and then you can also click on custom, and then you can simply not select anyone, or you can click on hide story from and select all of these people so that it's completely private. And then who can see your highlights, you can click on that as well and do the exact same thing. So you can simply click on hide your highlights from and then select everyone, okay? Now next up, you can scroll down and you can click on how people can find and contact you. So right there, click on friends of friends, and then you can go through all of these and click on only me. Who can look you up using the phone number you provided, only me. So just make sure you go into this list, into these settings, and just click on only me when available. If not, then make sure you limit it, don't put it on public.